Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is why TCS don't hire its ex-employees. You all must be aware that TCS never hires its ex-employees. We will see in this video that why TCS don't hire its ex-employees, and is it right or wrong that they don't hire its ex-employees. So first of all, is there any method of rejoining TCS after leaving the TCS? So answer is very simple, a big no. No one can join back to TCS if he or she leaves the TCS. And now, urgent leaving reason. If someone has genuine urgent leaving reason, like if any female is pregnant and she have to leave TCS for few months or few years, or if any candidate want to go for higher studies, obviously he cannot continue his job with his studies, then he or she have to leave the job. In such cases, what he has to do? Can he join back to TCS? No, you can't join TCS again in any scenario. If your reason is genuine to leave the TCS, instead of leaving the TCS, you can choose the option of LWP, that is leave without pay. You can go for long-term leaves, but in that case, you will not get any salary from the TCS. But still you will get medical cover from the TCS, and even you will get annual appraisal on your salary. And there will be huge difference in your salary at which you have left the TCS and at which you will be joining back. So you must choose the option of LWP instead of leaving the TCS. Now, why TCS don't hire its ex-employees? And here's the most important and genuine reason mentioned here. Suppose any employee is working in TCS and after 1 year, he joins to IT company A by leaving the TCS and he or she get 100% hike, which is very common if a fresher joins another company. Now, after another year, he or she left the company A and joined to IT company B. And here, he gets 50% hike. After that, he leaves IT company B and joins back to TCS. And here again, he or she gets 50% hike. So he has worked 1 year in TCS, 1 year in IT company A and 1 year in IT company B. And in the duration of 3 years, his salary has increased 100% here, 50% here, plus 50% here. His salary has increased 200%. But another employee who is still working in TCS, in general scenario, must have got 10% hike on first year, then 10% hike on second year and 10% hike on third year. Total may be 30%. And on second anniversary, it may be 10% more. And maximum that he may get in TCS is 40%. So one is getting 200% hike and another is getting just 40%. So to compensate this difference, TCS never hires its ex-employees because the employee who is working continuously in TCS will be in huge loss, and it will be simply unfair to the employee who is working continuously in TCS. So this is one of the most important reason that why TCS don't hire its ex-employees. Now there is another reason, misuse of familiarity. Suppose you are working continuously for a long time in TCS, then you must be familiar with your management, and if you leave TCS and join to another company, then you may misuse your familiarity with the management, and they can help you to join back in TCS even if you are not capable or even if you don't have that much potential. And there were few incidents in which employees tried to join back to TCS by providing money to their management so that they can help to go back to TCS with huge package. So these were few reasons due to which TCS has made the policy by which they don't hire its ex-employees. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT India.